Hello Odoo users and welcome to our channel. In this video we will see about how to do the export process from Odoo to Xero. We will see how to export and update your invoices, bills and credit notes. So let's get started upon the same. Before starting it, we have created an instance over here in your Odoo account. So let's open it and see the configuration. In the export configuration, there are two things. First of all, that is automatic export of the invoices and bills to Xero, and next is automatic update of invoices and bills to Xero. Now two things are different over here. So this belongs to whenever any of the invoices or bills or credit notes are created over here in Odoo, will automatically be exported to your Xero account without any manual effort. And next is whenever any of the invoices, bills or credit notes are updated over here in Odoo, will be updated automatically in your Xero account. So both of the things are done in automatic basis. We have checked this box and now we will see its practical usage. For that we will go to the accounting, customers and invoices. So we will create a new invoice over here. On creating the new invoice, we will mention the date at the line of invoice. So we are adding some products over here. So we have added two products and let's confirm this invoice. Now on confirming the invoice, as you can see, the invoice is exported automatically because we have done the configuration accordingly to export them automatically. Now whenever your configuration is not done over there in your Odoo instance level, which is this one, if it is not marked true, what you have to do is any of the invoice which is created, and if you want to export that particular invoice, you have to go to this action button and go to this option to export invoice and bill to Xero. This is the manual process. Currently this is an automatically. Once it is exported, your Xero details will be filled over here with your move ID, invoice number and move type, and your instance will be set over here. Next thing is the configuration to skip invoice. Whenever for any of the process you want to skip this invoice from being exported, you will have to check this box on your own. Now next thing is invoice is now exported properly. Now what we will do is update this invoice. So first of all, to update it, we will reset it to draft. Before that, I'll show you the invoice in Xero. So let's go to invoicing in the Xero account and we will search for this invoice. 00046 is the invoice number over here and we will search for the same. So this is the invoice that we have created just now and the same has been exported over here to the Xero account. So this is the invoice which we just created with the same amount and everything. So this is the invoice. Now we will update it. So for that we will reset it to draft. Here we will change the quantity from 2 to 1 in both the products. Let's confirm it. Now as you can see, it has been updated successfully and exported. So both the things has been done. Now here we will refresh the page and check the same. As you can see, both the quantities are updated successfully. So this is how the quantities are updated properly and without any manual effort. Now next thing is whenever you want to do the same with your credit note. So say suppose I'm creating credit note of the same invoice that I've created. So let's create a credit note directly from here. Let's add the reason of credit note. So we have added the reason and we are creating a reversal of this. Credit note has been reversed and now let's confirm it. So the credit note is also exported, as you can see it over here automatically. Now we will check for the credit note. The credit note number is 00017. Now let's go to the invoices again and refresh the page. So here as you can see, the credit note is also exported successfully and automatically along with the reason that we have added. Now we will also see how update of credit note is done automatically. So this is the credit note. Now what we'll do is we'll update some pricing over here. Let's reset it to draft. From 320 we are doing 300 and from 450 we are doing 400. Now that's both of things has been done. Let's confirm it. Now on confirming, as you can see, it is updated successfully to Xero and it is exported. Now here let's refresh it and check the same. Upon checking, you can find that the pricing has been updated over here as well. So this is how your invoicing exported, updated and credit note of the same has been done. Now we will check the same process with our bills as well. The Xero details will be filled over here as well, as you can see it right now, and it has all the fields which are filled automatically as per the export is done. Now we will go to the vendors and create a bill. Upon creating a bill, we will add the vendor name over here. We will add a line of the product. We will add some quantities. We'll add another line of product over here, and we'll add some quantities again. Upon adding the quantities, we will confirm this particular bill. Bill date is pending, so let's edit and confirm the bill. On confirming the bill, it is automatically exported, as you can see, to the Xero account. So for Xero account, we'll go to the purchases and open the billing section. In billing section, we will check the bills that is exported. So the bill number is 0016, and here is the bill that is just exported. Let's open the bill. The same amount with $1900, the same is seen over here as well. Now we will update this bill. For that, we will reset it to draft, and we'll update the quantity from 2 to 1 and 3 to 2. So the quantities are updated. Let's confirm it. On confirming it is updated successfully to 0, as you can see, and it has already been updated to 0 as well. Let's refresh the page over here and check the same. Now you can see both of the quantities are updated from 2 to 1 and 3 to 2. So it's the pricing. So with the billing section, the process remains the same. Bills will be updated and not automatically exported as well. Now for the same billing, we will create a credit note. So let's create a credit note directly from here. Let's reverse the credit note. And after the credit note has been reversed, we will confirm the same. You can see that it is exported successfully. Now here we will go to the billing menu and check the credit note. The credit note number over here is 0007, and he will check the same. So here is the credit note that is created, which is this one. Let's open it. So credit note with the same amount has been created. Now if you want to make any changes over here for the credit note, we will just make changes in this quantity of storage box. Let's make the changes and let's confirm it. As you can see, credit note has been exported and updated successfully. Now the same will be done over here. Let's refresh and check the same. It is done. So this is how your credit notes are also been updated successfully and with an automated process without any manual effort. If at all you require any of the manual effort, you can go to the action button and do the export of the bill, invoices and credit notes directly from over here. The zero details will be filled over here, and in case of any of the matters where you want to skip this invoice from getting exported, you will check this box. Now next thing is the consolidated invoicing process. For that, we will go to the instance and go to the consolidated configuration. So this is an important step when you want your invoices of the same partner name to be consolidated and exported in one time. Say suppose I have a partner name which is this one. So this partner's name has a lot of invoices within my Odoo account, and I want to export them together. So I have checked this box for the same. Now we will undo this so that I can show you the manual process for the same. And here we are saying that whenever we are using this consolidated invoice process, all the invoice of the same partner will be exported together, and it should be in the payment state. So let's save this first of all. So let's go to the customer invoicing section. Let's create the invoice for this partner name that we added over there in the instance. So here we will add product. We have added one quantity. Let's confirm this product. Now it is confirmed. Now let's pay it. Payment should be compulsion. Next is let's duplicate this invoice, add another invoice for the same partner. We will add a line of product over here, add some quantities, again confirm it and pay it. Next is we will create one more invoice. We'll add line of product over here, and here we will confirm it. After confirming, we'll pay the same. The payment has been done. Let's go to the invoice section and see this is the partner name, and three invoice of the same partner has been created and they are in the payment status. What we will do for the consolidated invoice process, we will check this box from over here, go to the action button and go to the export consolidated invoices to 0. Whenever we click over there, we will have an option to select the instance, which we will select it and go to the export. So whenever we export it, all the three invoices will be exported to your Xero account, and one invoice will be created with all the three details of the invoicing. So for that, let's go to the invoicing section over here and check it. So this is the partner name, and three invoices under that are created together. Let's open and check the same. As you open it, all the products which are added in all the three invoicing will be seen over here in this manner. And whenever you go to the any of the invoice which is exported, you can check that it is automatically seen that the consolidated invoice are exported. Here the details will be filled like this, and it will be checked as consolidated invoices because we have done the same configuration at the instance level as well. So this is how your consolidated invoices are exported from Odoo to Xero, and this is the process for the same. The prerequisite over here is your invoice should be in the payment status. So that is how it is done in Odoo, and it is same is updated in Xero. For all the things that we have exported or been created over here, the logs will be created for the same for each of the export that has been done. So the log will be created, and if there will be any errors value exported, logbook line will show you the errors as well. If there will be any, say suppose failure to export or invoice, your log will see something like this. So this is all about your export process of the invoices, bills, credit notes from Odoo to Xero. Feel free to let us know if you face any issues while you configure it for store. Our team will be there to help you out. Also, you can write back to us at sales@vraja technologies.com for any further queries. Thank you.